the phonological rules in the video about coronavirus or COVID-19. Before I analyze the video, I want to remember you about the phonological rules. Phonological rules is a formal way of expressing a systematic phonological or morphological process or diachronic sound change in a language. Phonological rules are commonly used in generative phonology as a notation to capture sound-related operation and computations the human brain performs when producing or comprehending spoken language. They may use phonetic notation or distinctive features or both. Phonological rules are often written using distinctive features, which are supposedly natural characteristics that describe the acoustic or articulatory and make up of a sound by selecting a particular bundle or matrix of features. It is possible to represent a group of sounds that form a natural class and patterns together in phonological rules. For example, the rule above, rather than writing T and D separately, that are stop consonants and are pronounced by placing the tongue against the alveolar ridge. In the most commonly used feature system, the features to represent the sounds would be delayed release, anterior distributed, which describe the manner of articulation and the position and shape of the tongue when pronouncing the two sounds. But rules are not always written using features. In some cases, especially when they applies only to a single sound, rules are written using the symbols of the International Phonetic Alphabet. And phonological rules can be roughly divided into four types, that is assimilation, deletion, dissimilation, and insertion. Assimilation is sound change where some phonemes, typically consonants or vowels, change to be more similar to other nearby sounds. It is a common type of phonological process across language. Assimilation can occur either within a word or between words. It occurs in normal speech and it becomes more common in more rapid speech. And in some cases, assimilation causes sounds spoken to differ from the normal correct pronunciation of each sound in isolation. In other cases, the chain sound is considered canonical for that word or phrase. And the second is dissimilation, is a phenomenon whereby similar consonants or vowels in the word become less similar. And the third is insertion. Insertion is phonological process in which a sound is added to a word. An example, vowel stop insertion where between a nasal consonant and a voiceless fricative, a voiceless stop with the same place of articulation as the nasal consonant is inserted. In English, many say hamster instead for hamster. P is added. And the last is deletion. Deletion is a process in which speech sounds disappear from words. And now, after I explain or remember about the meaning of phonological rules. Now I want to analyze the video about coronavirus or COVID-19. In the video, I just found two types of phonological rules, that is dissimilation and deletion. Dissimilation is a phenomenon whereby similar consonants or vowels in a word become less similar. And in the video, I found 10 words, and there are treatment, market, important, government, hard work, cover, circulate, currently, and discover. And their sound occurs before another in the middle of a word. In Nordic dialects in English, and the first tends to drop out, as in market for market, and work for work, and currently for currently, and circulate for circulate, and hard for hard, and discovered for discovered. And government tends to be pronounced government, dropping out the first and uh, and word important to be important, treatment to be treatment, and it dropping out the first T. And now is deletion. Deletion is a process in which speech sounds disappear from words. And in the video, I found words outbreak, doesn't appear, and must be president nouns, first day, interest cases, and percent of. And deletion linking the drop T, there are two common places that a final T is deleted and drop from the pronunciation of a word. And when the T drop, when the T is dropped, the sound before the T must link smoothly into the following word. Outbreak must be first day, interest cases. There are deleting T between consonant, and when a word ending in consonant plus T links into a word beginning with a consonant. The final T of the first word is often deleted, and outbreak become outbreak, must be become must be, and first day become first day, and interest cases becomes interest cases. And for words doesn't appear precedent nouns and percent of, that is deleting T between NT and a vowel sound. And when a word ending in NT links into a word beginning with a vowel sound, and the final T is often deleted and doesn't appear, doesn't appear. Preceding nouns become preceding nouns, and percent of become percent of. Okay, I think it's enough for me. That is the analysis of phonological rules about the video, and I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.